Today we talk about how can you change your password on your Pokemon Banco map. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do, just go down, click here on profile down here. So when you click here on profile, it's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on manage your account. So then it's going to take you to this list here, and all you have to do now, just click on security. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on password. So in here, before that you have to send email. You just click here on send email here. So then it's going to send to your email to change your password. when uh, when you when a message for your email arrive, then it's going to take you to change your password on your app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.